2026. The showroom lights glisten across the deep metallic maroon surface of the all-new GMC Acadia SUV, an oversized beast reborn in luxury. As the automatic doors glide open, you're immediately drawn to its bold presence. It doesn't just stand, it dominates. This isn't just another SUV on display, it's a statement, a fusion of power, elegance, and cutting-edge design. And today, we're diving deep into every curve, every detail, and every inch of this ultra-realistic marvel. The first thing you notice is the front, an enlarged, muscular bumper sculpted with aerodynamic precision, shining with embedded LED lighting that floods the floor beneath it with a soft golden glow. The grille is wider, stretched across the front like a shield, with the iconic GMC logo sitting right at the center, proud and commanding. The headlights? Sleek, aggressive, and sharp-edged, radiating a white golden beam that gives the SUV a futuristic expression even when stationary. Right beneath the grille, the model name GMC Acadia is engraved on the oversized bumper, glowing in a modern font that complements the bold architecture. As your eyes travel downward, the oversized, ultra-realistic tires catch your attention. Wrapped around custom alloy rims, the tires aren't just for show. They embody strength. Surrounding each wheel is golden rim lighting, casting a premium halo-like glow that dances with the reflections on the polished showroom floor. These tires don't whisper capability. They roar it, even in silence. Now, let's talk about the body. The deep metallic maroon finish is not just paint. It's a mirror-like surface that feels alive under light. The oversized panels are precisely contoured, thick and powerful, like armor on a luxury tank. Every edge, every door seam, every curve is meticulously finished. From a close angle, you can see how the light bends across the smooth surface, revealing a high-definition reflection of the surrounding petrol pump-style showroom. On the sides, the upward-opening doors are fully extended, like wings, revealing a golden interior that glows with understated elegance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sea of deep maroon and light golden light. The entire